Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial to make logos in Adobe Illustrator in just 3 minutes. And today we are going to make Google Photos logo. But before that, let me explain one more thing that I found it the best way to learn the designing in Adobe Illustrator by making famous logos, famous and simple logos. And what can be more famous than Google itself? So that is my approach. So let's start. So first of all, what we're going to do, we will first select this, press and hold here, then it will open here, and we will select polygon tool. Click here, select three sides, means we are going to make a triangle. So it's a triangle. Now select transform, width 60 and height 30. Okay, select it, Control C, Control V, copy paste, and we have got another triangle here. Now select rotate, select minus 180 degree, so it is inverse now. And now what you have to do, you have to drag it from here to close to the other one. So that's another logo. Change the color of this one to yellow. Orange, we'll select the light orange here, M35 and Y85. Okay, so that is one part. Control C, select both. I think I should group it. Control C, Control V, select rotate, select minus 90 degree. So that's another copy. Drag it to the intersection, two intersection point. Intersection line should be two. See, two lines are there. Control C, Control V another time. Select rotate, minus 90 degrees. Select, drag this one again, and again there should be two intersections here. Okay. Control C, Control V again. Select rotate, select minus 90 degree, drag it at the center again, and two intersection lines are there. So now we have got this shape here, and select all, right click, ungroup, and now we have to fill colors. So we'll select here orange, something like M80, Y95, and then here we'll select C50, M100. Next, these are very simple, cyan, and the next one here, blue, dark blue, then green, this one C50, Y100, and the last one here, the dark green or the CMYK green. And we have to right click here on this one, arrange it, send to back. Now the shape is ready. What you have to do, select all, right click, do, then select this star tool, shift, alter, hold, and then drag it like this. Shape is ready now. Fill with white color, width 30 and height 30. So that's our shape ready now. Select this shape and this, align both to the center from here and here. So that's it. That's our shape ready. So it took us a little more time because I gave a brief introduction in the beginning. Thanks guys, thank you very much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and if you have got any suggestion for any logo, please let me know. Thanks guys, thank you very much. See you next time.